Good morning, guys, and welcome back to Gabriel the Plumber. For today's video, we're actually going to replace a shower faucet or shower diverter. So we're getting ready. We're about to go inside the building. We're gonna have to shut off the water to be able to replace it. So we're gonna see you there. See you soon. All right, guys. So we are here, and this is the shower faucet that we're talking about. Our first option, or option number 8, would be hopefully we can find the cartridge, replace it. This is an old faucet, more than 30 years old. If we cannot find the cartridge, we're gonna have to replace the whole faucet. But at the moment, we just found our first problem. There is no screw in the handle, so we're gonna have to kind of break it to remove the handle so we can get it into the cartridge.
No, lo vamos a tener que quitar a la mala.
Okay, so we're removing the cartridge. It looks like a really old faucet, definitely. 30 plus years, most likely. Si se pone un nuevo faucet.
No, esto ya no lo hay.
So that's part of the cartridge. Really old faucet. Sí, la verdad no. Hey, what's going on, guys? All right, so we are going back to the job site, and we just came out of the plumbing supplier. We tried to look for the cartridge, but unfortunately we couldn't find it. We went to like two, 3 different places, and they don't make that cartridge anymore. So what we did is we bought the whole diverter or shower faucet, whatever you guys call it. This is what it is. The brand is Simmons, that's what it is. To be honest, this is the first time that we use this brand. Of course, we bought it from a plumbing supplier, so you know that it's not gonna be anything cheap. This is made of brass, pretty heavy. It has its own shutoff. We were looking for a Moen. Usually that's what we like to install. Moens are not too expensive, and to be honest, they're good quality too. So far we don't have any complaints, but like I said, they didn't have any Moen with the shutoffs included, so you know we're gonna replace this in a building, so we have to put this in that shower just to make sure that we do things right. Alright, guys, we'll see you when we get there. Thank you. Alright, guys, so we're back in here, and the plan is so the customer don't have to hire somebody else to fix the tile. We actually just mark it here. I don't know if you see it in red. We're actually going to put this here to cover the hole. So once we install the new faucet and the handle and everything else, so we can remove the old one, this is going to be there and nothing's going to be exposed. Alright, guys, so this is what we got so far. We got the opening, got rid of the spout. Now I'm about to cut the pipes so we can put the new one in place. Alright, so the old faucet is out of the way. Now all you see there, sorry, that's probably the light. That's the old plumbing. That's copper, 1/2-inch copper. And Gabriel, it's getting the new faucet ready. Before we solder, of course, we have to remove the shutoffs. you have to remove the cartridge, because remember, this is not only metal, it's made of rubber. So you don't want to melt those rubbers. If not, you are gone. Those gaskets. Alright guys, so we are pretty much almost done installing the new faucet. Unfortunately, we tried to save the tile, but since it was leaking, you can see that the drywall,
This is green drywall.
yeah, it looks like this is drywall. It looks like since the old faucet was leaking, it was leaking from behind as well to downstairs to the first floor. It looks like the drywall is damaged. And with all the vibration, all the work, of course the tiles came out. So there's only, you know, enough we can do, so, but we try our best. And so far everything looks good.
Ni electricidad ni la ponemos.
No, por eso sí.
Sí. Ok.
Ya, ok, ya lo tengo entonces.
Sí, a ver si me habla, a ver si me contesta ahorita. Ahí está trabajando el vato mismo. Con un basement spout.
Shower head. Of course, they gotta finish the tile, but just put a plastic bag right on top of it for now.
Please leave your message for 77.
Los channel locks chiquitas. Alright guys, so we are all set. We just have to tie this shower head for a little bit more. It's leaking from here just a little bit. Like always, we have to clean our mess. Like I said, of course, this is not gonna stay like that, but for now, since they have to fix the tile, we'll put it back just so the customers can shower.